o check kwan ya omofa so D boys na nsen ya utum say very bad nti mpese me dum wura analysis mienu miensa bi say na be ya this weekends ubetumi anya bibi kakra ato ho nti wo dia ne say obehwem no aye selections afri mu na wo dia kokan teams a pese odidi agro no na minim say wo ye ni ya you thank me later. Na in the matches na 24 matches nti we a great opportunity for you to cash out today. Na match a idika ya mpesa meka ho asem APRFC. This particular team no be hu no Rwanda table position one that second. Say over down na say obehwe omo last 5 matches utu say no west cry draw. This particular match no one of the best option e women say obema home team no double chance. Na yi team etoso mienu mpesa meka ho asem quick boys. This particular team no be hu no Netherlands amateur. Na ohwe omo table na one dikan the form no last 5 matches utu say oye adwuma nkasa. Na ohwe away team na utu say omo no homodin nsen na check one na head to head out team say o team no o she 5-5-5 utum say team no e wo form we enye hard like a street win itima etoso miensa Atalanta o check Atalanta form na utum say e wo soro o check the last 5 matches match a utimi elusu wum against Real Madrid eno no Champions League na oba omo league ni mu a utum say o ye adwuma nkasa this particular match no o man street win na ebitumi go through but udiska kese na eto akira ubetumi man away over 0.5 because den ya obeshi go. Your match at also 4 Vora against Kurabi. Na ochake omo matches na utum say home team no e form. And away team no so na eba head to head a olidi. Anya no na yebehwe. Ochake team na wo form na the last 5 matches were above 1.5 ashia so ne olusu ye no kura over 1.5 eboye. And ochake away team na even though say olusu the last 5 matches na emu ba na over 1.5 amo na ne aka nyina over 1.5 eboye. Nti this particular match no ochake one of the best options goes over 1.5 betumi go through. Itima etoso 5 Berereka Town. This particular match na obehunu wo England amateur obohum table position or the second eba head to head away team no share da or form esen ni bebre oma home team double chance out to say hard luck bia betumi go through. Itima etoso 6 Northern Ireland Linfield. This particular team no ho den o check the last 5 matches a team ba ko na Arsenal toaso mienu obon home and away and no say team no asa away team no asa say o check omo last 5 matches a Linfield ba bi o hie ne bia o shegu na say oma home team over 0.5 out to say one of the best option. Itima etoso 6 Juventus o check Juventus a omo league no na ye team a obi a hye no e balance column na otum say ne de no 0 team no ne bo no edase ya otum say team no asapa bibia betumi asi football mu de bet e be den say away team no betumi ase ne records omo home team double chance ya bibia betumi go through. Itima etoso 7 wo hunu wo Slovakia. This particular team no bohum Sparta trainer table position or the third ohwe on away team no head to head away team no share ne da osan wo form based on the form table position head to head omo home team no double chance ya bibia betumi go through. Itima etoso 8 Bayern Munich. This particular team ne dey nipa pi enim team we ehun hia se mekasa pi bet option ben na wo se yefa se oba omo last 5 matches utu say every match bia o shigo na o hye na kese ohwe Bayern Munich ne last 3 matches on ne boy o hye ne 3 o hye ne 8 o hye ne 4 utu say oye adwuma nkasa nti se be ya be kwa akoye se Bayern Munich ntima anwe ne ntima anyi we se ne senior omo away team over 0.5 wa bibia betumi go through because ye dan ya o be shigo. Itima etoso 9 Liverpool. The form no so rankasa every match bia o shigo. This particular match na obetumi ama straight win ompo ho asema no ama home team over 0.5 because ye dan ya o be shigo. Na e match etoso 10 obehunu wo Malta Zurich versus Liga. This particular match no utu say team a wo form no eba head to head out da fem na mo hwe omo last 5 matches no every match bia over 1.5 ebushia so. Nti ehun hia say waste much time on this analysis. Over 1.5 is one of the best option. Itima etoso 11 Sheffield United on the Plymouth na airball o check the form na utum say was table position when they dikan the last 5 matches e mu bie no a on go and I check omo previous matches omo last 5 matches na utum say Sheffield team na ankasa on the silver side no omo home team over 0.5 out utum say one of the best option. Ye team etoso 12 AEK Athens obehunu this particular team no Greece and o check the table position or the second or ball away na o check the form na utum say e was soro home team no head to head home team no enshine that because all ball away no ompo ho asema betumi anya 2 options ewom away team over 0.5 and I say double chance ma away team. Itima etoso 13 England League 1 Birmingham City o check the table position or the third the form no was soro away team no enshine that eba head to head da obo home no ompo ho asema double chance ma home team between the best option. Itima etoso 40 obohunu wo Switzerland Basel obohum the form no was no Grasshopper Zurich And now checking the last 5 matches, every match be a obogu. Home team over 0.5 out to say one of the best option because then ya obeshi go. The team at also 15 by Leverkusen or Boagwe when the form utum say was every match be a oshigu. No umpa wasama normal away team over 0.5. And a double chance so one of the best option. The team at also 16 Real Madrid. Real Madrid Boagwe na saying the form no iron home style but then ya obeshi go. Away team over 0.5 one of the best option. Considering the current form, the home team no form. It team at also 17 Slavia Praha team we water Jimmy no there, but the form no home team no form no utum say or wanimu eseno head to head or wanimu eseno. Oma away team over 0.5 utum say one of the best option. It team at also 18 Anderlecht or away the table position and the form nyina esen home team no. And I check it omo last 5 matches utum say mu be anywhere Anderlecht enshi go. Oma Anderlecht over 0.5 that's away team over 0.5 utum say one of the best option. The team at also 19 Napoli away table position or sort of home team no bet the current form no to say well lose match be atwa so against Lazio. This particular match no be taking serious nti kwan bia so den a also ultimate eshegu uma away team over 0.5 out to say one of the best option. And all straight win matches be I say based on their current form ya hwe statistics ni bibia out to say omo ho e de ankasa hard luck final betumi awin in the match. PSV and Hoven betumi awin in the match. Arsenal betumi awin in the match. And Chelsea so betumi awin in the match. In the senior in the matches am person didi agro no. What the answer will be no why selections free mu. Na dia akokan teams am person didi agro no ho. Na we ni ya you thank me later. Ya no aka so be like video no. And now you subscribe ya no subscribe no turn the bell notification no on now there to all because you drop more updates. How you should take the home of tricks.